when we had the recession in 2008. Prior to that, you'd had a lot of apartment communities that had converted to condominiums, especially in Florida. And so now they had submetering systems. Then the recession hit. And at that point, they were looking for every avenue they possibly could come up with to grant them financial control. Well, they had a mechanism, submeters. So once the first group went, then it started to become known in the condominium community. Hey, this is, for them, utilities, which again, that's part of their maintenance fees. It's the most volatile part of their budget. It's what causes them trouble. It's what causes them later to realize we didn't budget enough and have to put in place a special assessment, which their homeowners hate. This stops all that because it takes it out of their budget. It makes it a separate line item. They don't even have to worry about it anymore. So from that standpoint, by, I would say, 2010, condominiums were really beginning to understand, and that's a good market for us.